Hello, everyone. This is Glamorous Titi of Glamorous Titi Jewels. For those of you who know me, I am also Treese. I just wanted to come on really quickly and give you guys a tutorial on how to navigate through my website. So my website is GLAMAROUSTITI jewels.com. That's glamorousttjewels.com. I will leave all the information in the description when I post this tutorial. But when you put the web address into the address bar, this is our wonderful page. And I'm going to show you some really cool features about how to navigate through this website, how to quickly get to some of the pieces that you are maybe looking for. But as a whole, I'm just going to go. I know everyone knows how to shop. We all shop online, but I wanted to personally introduce my website to all of my kings and queens for ease of shopping. So this is the web. This is what the home page looks like, and you'll see all of this information when you get on there, and I'll tell you really briefly what all of it means. So you come here under Shop Paparazzi Accessories. I have all of the collections in my inventory. Everything that you see on this website currently is everything that I have in my personal boutique. So when you buy from this website, these are pieces on hand. All of the new releases that have come out that I will be mailing directly to you. These pieces will not be coming from the Paparazzi Corporation. They are coming directly from me and my boutique. The first thing we see here is the signature series. For those of you who do not know, we are known for being a $5 jewelry company, but Paparazzi Accessories also has a $25 signature series, which is called the Z Collection. And if you're looking for something a bit more substantial, you're looking to go to a ritzy event, not that you can't wear our $5 jewelry. This is just an option if you're looking for something, a gift for a mom, mother-in-law, or something like that. And these are all of the $25 signature series pieces that I have personally in my stock. So just like with anything else, navigating any other online shopping site, you can click on the name of the item, and here is a description of the item. It has the price of the item, or you can click on the picture. And then when you click on the picture, you can come down here and you'll see the model that's wearing this piece. And this piece, the Erica, is actually named after an actual Paparazzi Accessories independent consultant who has made it to the top tier within within the company. And this is where I aspire to be one day. When you get to that level, then you have an opportunity to have a piece named after you, and it'll be on catalog for the entire year. So essentially, your name has gone up in lights just for being one of the top consultants. And you see here, you can add it to your cart. You can also wish list it, but we will talk about that later. So we'll go back to the signature series. The other cool thing about my website is that you can also shop by color. If you know you have a particular outfit, you have somewhere you're going, and you have a specific color that you're looking for in mind, here you can click on this and it'll narrow your search by all of the signature jewelry that I have on hand in black, and you'll see that it's unapologetic. This is an absolutely beautiful piece of jewelry. It is stunning in person. It looks beautiful up against the skin. It's really sparkly, and these pictures really are not. I'm doing it the kind of justice that it deserves because this is absolutely a beautiful piece. This is another one of my favorite pieces, the Donnelly. Absolutely beautiful necklace. The way it hangs and all of this shimmer and how it glistens, all of those crystals on there, that is an amazing piece of jewelry. But if you see here, you can narrow your search down by the color that you're looking for. So we'll navigate back up here to Shop Paparazzi Accessories. These are our exclusive fashion fix sets. I am an independent consultant who happens to be a part of the Fashion Fix family. So each month, what happens is I'll get first access to it, and then I'll be able to bring it to you, my customers. I'll give you a preview of it. You'll be able to pre-order, but I won't collect for it, or I won't be able to order from these exclusive Fashion Fix sets until the 4th of every month. We haven't gotten to July 4th. That's why it says it's coming soon. But I'll show you what the June 2019 Fashion Fix sets look like. And these are 5 4-piece complete trend blend sets. And these trend blend sets are all of the trend blends that make up all of the jewelry that Paparazzi creates. All of the jewelry that you'll be looking at, it falls in these categories, some kind of form of fashion. These are 4-piece sets. The entire collection are $20 for the 4-piece set, which equates to $5 each piece. You come on here, you look and see the set that you want. If you haven't watched any of my Facebook live videos where I have presented them and shown them to you, same thing, you click on the set you want and you check out. Here we're going for Life of the Party. We are here at Glamorous TT Jewels. We have made Life of the Party bronze. Yay, the crowd goes roar for something like this. I'm very proud of what we have done in such a short period of time. But now that we are Life of the Party bronze, we have first access, and not all consultants can have access to these pieces until they have at least hit Life of the Party bronze. And these are the Life of the Party pieces for the month of June. Let me click on these earrings. These earrings are called Coming Into Money. And if you can look on this picture, the bling goes all around here, and then it's also on the inside. That's why these bad boys are called Coming Into Money, because any way you turn your head and the light hits it, these things are going to be bling, 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 cha-ching, ching. But you come here and you check out these Life of the Party pieces. When July opens up, then July's Life of the Party pieces will be added. But all of these pieces are absolutely phenomenal, and they are only $5. All of our jewelry is nickel and lead free. We don't say that it's hypoallergenic. It is better than hypoallergenic, because some hypoallergenic pieces actually have traces of nickel and lead in them, and some people are allergic to that. My daughter is someone growing up, I could only put 14 karat gold or real gold or silver earrings in her ear because they would get all crusty and pussy and all of that. She can wear paparazzi jewelry. It doesn't bother her. Sensitive skin, so that's absolutely wonderful. This section is our blockbusters. Blockbusters are those standard pieces that, until Paparazzi discontinues them, these are some of the most popular pieces that Paparazzi has determined that customers gravitate to and go to a lot. So these are things that I can always have on hand, but they are also on the Paparazzi website, which I will show you later when we get to the joining my team, which is, if anybody wants to join, we're going to talk about all of that so that I can teach you and train you how to flip this jewelry and make this money and be on your way to financial freedom, which is why I am embarking upon this path, and I absolutely love this business. And then again here, if you're looking for anything in any particular color, you could come here on the left side. If you're looking for only gold jewelry, it's going to only give you those pieces that are in gold, so you can make your jewelry selection options from there. All of these pieces are $5. Come up here again, you're looking for necklaces. These are all of our $5 pieces. It will tell you if something has been sold out. Again, what color are you looking for? And so on and so forth. Let's see, we also have men's jewelry for those of you who do not know, and that is affectionately called Man Cave on the website. If you come here, although some of these pieces can be unisex, if you are a female and you like this style, definitely you can collect these pieces for yourself. I call it the Man Cave here. They normally come in either black or brown, and these necklaces and these bracelets, but we also have pieces for men. So if you're married, you have a boyfriend, a young teen son, these things are wonderful to give them. as gifts or just every day just to have. They're buying jewelry just like you are, or you're buying it for them because maybe you want to introduce them to this. You want to dress them up a little bit. And we also have lanyards. For those of you who work a job where you require a badge to get in and out of the building for any reason, we have fabulous lanyards that are also $5. And the beautiful thing about our lanyards is they come with a complete set of matching earrings, just like our necklaces do. And if I fail to mention, my apologies, all of our necklaces, absolutely all of our necklaces come with a matching pair of earrings. And if you click on something, you're interested in it, you'll see I have the pictures for you both to see how the necklace lays. This is the earring that goes with it, and then this is just a stock photo of the necklace. Outside of being on someone's body. And these glam and glow sets down here, these could be 2, 3, or 4-piece sets that either myself I've put together. If you have somewhere to go and you don't have time, or you're thinking about something, you don't want to put anything together, or you don't know how to quite put it together, if you come here, I am going to be updating this with my inventory, and I'll be putting the sets together here, and you can just click on the set that you're looking for. It's going to tell you what it is. This includes a necklace and a bracelet. It's $10, and you check out. You add it to your cart and you check out. The next thing I'm going to show you up here is something that is absolutely fabulous. This is the Glamorous Titi Jewels monthly subscription boxes. And how this works is on the first of it, if you sign up for it, you will be billed on the first of the month and you'll receive your box by the 15th of the month. The $20 Mystery Glam Box subscriptions get you 4 pieces, and shipping and handling on this one is $3.95. But I will send you 4 pieces every month. They will always be new releases that you will receive every month. If you like mystery and you like to get surprises, you could be having a bad day and then you get this box of fabulous jewelry and it'll make everything better. Or you can subscribe to our $60 monthly mystery glam bag subscription box. And this one, you're going to get 13 pieces. You'll get 13 pieces for the price of 12. So that's the promotion that Paparazzi always has. You buy 12, you get the 13th free. And this particular subscription comes with free shipping. So this is the better value. It gets you more pieces, and your pieces will always be the newest releases that have come out during that time frame. Again, and you can cancel your subscription at any time. You will be billed on the first of the month, and you'll receive your Mystery Glam bag or box by the 15th of the month. And the next section here is the Join Paparazzi. This is also an amazing aspect of the website because this is where you get to partner with me. We are business partners. Even though you're signing up to work under me, we are business partners. And we are in the process of building the most amazing team. I am already a part of an elite team within the organization, which is in the top tier of Paparazzi. So when you come to this page, you can read all of these little tidbits and nuggets that I have for you. But to come and be a part of the Royal Glam Squad, you click here on this link and it's going to take you to this page. You'll see a picture of me. You'll see all of my information. You come down here and you want to join. You're going to join now and you'll go through the process. This is completely through the Paparazzi website. It has nothing to do with me. I don't have access to any of your information. But if you want to learn, if you want to be tutored on how to grow and to start your first business, or you want to bring extra money into the house, this is the place to come. You can message me on Facebook. You can come here, join Paparazzi. If you have questions, trust me, if I don't have the answers already, I will get the answers to everything that you need. This is another important fun part of the page for me because I go live every Thursday and Sunday at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you click this, if you haven't already liked and followed the Glamorous TT Jewels Facebook page, you click here, it's going to take you there. Please like and follow us so that we can continue to grow and grow our glamorous family. Sorry, getting tongue-tied there. But let me show you this wish list feature. This is a really neat feature. You see all of these little hearts here? If you go and let's say you're in between pay periods, or you're looking for the perfect outfit and you don't know quite what you want to put together for it, you just come here and you start wish listing your items. Like we'll put something on the wish list. And this box is going to come up, and it's gonna, I've been playing around with it, so I have stuff here in my wish list. You can save this, but once you put in your email information, whether you access this from my website, from your cell phone, from your desktop, from an iPad, or anything like that, once you save it as a non-guest, you sign up on the website, you, across all your devices, you will be able to come here and look at your wish list. And let's say it's something like you're between pay periods or something like that, or you're waiting, you know, husband's going to buy it for your birthday, and you come and you put all your stuff here in the wish list. Then you can come back and just check out when you need to. And also, a very important thing about this is that you can email it to yourself. You can email this to your husband, or husband to your wife, or whatever. Email this to them so then they can come back to the website and purchase these pieces for you. This is a really neat feature. I really like it. It allows you to keep coming in. If you're at work, you need to browse a little bit, you don't have that much time, but you won't lose focus or sight of those pieces that you truly enjoyed when you first saw them. So the wish list is a very cool feature that the website offers. So again, welcome to those of you who have not shopped with Glamorous TT and her beautiful, fabulous, mostly $5 jewels. And welcome aboard to those of you who will be our new customers. Before we get out of here, let me show you this. You see here, you can create an account. Once you've created your account, you sign in here. But let's get down to some juicy little tidbit nuggets that I'm about to show you. Let's say you have an awesome outfit. You found your perfect outfit and you just don't have time. You don't want to look. You don't have the time, but you know you want some red jewelry. If you come up here, search all products, and you just put in red and search, it's going to give you everything that we have in stock in red. It's going to give you the rings, the necklaces, the bracelets, and the earrings. It's going to give you everything that we have within that color family, so that you can easily say, oh, well, I can match these earrings with that necklace. Boom, that's great, right? And this ring, oh, that's great. And that's an easy way for you to get in and get out if you're looking for something particular. Same thing, anything, any color you're looking for, type it into the search bar up there, and it's going to narrow everything down for you. That way you don't have to fuss with going through the website if you don't have time to. But if you do, please take out the time to just go and peruse the website. This $5 jewelry business that I'm in is absolutely fabulous. I love it. Everything is nickel and lead free. And if you are looking for a part-time job, if you're looking to start your first business and you want to be a part of a progressive team that is going somewhere and doing some things within this organization, hit me up. Come on this page, hit this join paparazzi button, little feature here. Go to that page, you sign up. You will not be disappointed, and I will not let you down, because we are a team that is on the move. Okay, well, that's all I have for you. The proof is right here. In less than 2 months, I've made this mark with the assistance of my customers, which is integral to any business. So I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you have learned how to shop on my website. If you have any messages, any comments or anything that you want to send to me, you can message me from here. You can message me from Facebook, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. If you're curious about this business, I will answer any questions that you may have. If you have any questions about the jewelry, I will answer any questions that you may have. That's it. That is the introduction into Glamorous TT Jewels website. I hope all of you will consider shopping, and if anyone has any interest in joining me, then just hit me up. That's it. Good night.